Right, with trigonometry, the first thing you want to do is label the sides that you've got. So this first side here is 7. We're going to label A. A stands for adjacent, and adjacent means next to. So it is next to the angle. Your side over here, X, is O for opposite, because it is opposite the angle. This side here has nothing labelled at all, so we don't care about it, we don't put anything there. Now with a trigonometry question, first thing you want to be doing after that is always writing down SOHCAHTOA. Now we've got labelled O and A, so we need to look at SOHCAHTOA and look where we've got O and A, which is in TOA. So we write that out, TOA. And it is just like one of those triangles that you would use in science for speed, distance, time. We want to find O, so if we cover up O, we do T times A. So we've got O is T times A. Now T stands for tan. When you press tan on your calculator, it always comes up with a bracket. Now with tan, you always put the angle and then make sure you close the bracket. Times by A, which we know is 7, so times by 7. And if you type that into your calculator and round it, I've done it to 1 decimal place, you should get 5.9 centimetres. Okay, this next one looks very, very similar. We've just got the X in a different place, so exactly the same as before. We're labelling this one A for adjacent because it is next to the angle. Now this X here is also next to the angle, but it's our long side, it's our hypotenuse. Now if you're not sure which one the long side is, the long side's always opposite the right angle. Okay, so first thing again, write out SOHCAHTOA. We've got A and we've got H. We didn't care about that side because there's nothing there. So we're choosing Ka. So we've got Ka. Now we want to find H. So if I cover up H, I've got A divided by C. So H equals A divided by C. We know the adjacent is 7, and this time C stands for cos, and we know that the angle always goes with that. And then when we type this one onto our calculator and round it, you should get 9.1 centimetres.